Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm cleaning out my wardrobe to make room for all the clothes I bought recently. So I'm basically just going to try some things on because I know there's a lot of things that are too big for me now. So I'm just going to go through, show you my wardrobe and what I'm getting rid of and stuff. I don't know if that's interesting, but thought I'd film it. So there's the wardrobe and a pile of junk I have to put away. So I've got to make room for all of that stuff. So this is the first skirt. She's definitely going because it is literally so big for me. So that's gone. Second one is this skirt from Jody, which I'm really sad because I really like it. But again, it's just too big to be able to wear. Next one is a factory skirt. I think I might actually keep it for a little while because it's not too big. I might be able to get away with it. Next up is this acid wash denim skirt, which I think I'm going to get rid of. It's not really my style anymore, but it's also miles too big. Another factory skirt that is dead in the ground. She's useless. This is a size 12 and I'm just not that size anymore. So RIP. This one I'm thinking I will keep for a little bit longer because it's not too big. I could probably get away with that. So she's safe. Here we have a pair of dress shorts I used to always wear to town. Unfortunately, again, just too big. She's a goner. There's so many things I'm literally scared to put on because I don't want to get rid of them, but they're just too big. I don't think this one can be saved either. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Maybe I could I don't know how to sew though to fix anything. Probably a goner. Okay, now I'm devastated. I didn't even want to try it on because I really like this skirt, but look how big it is. That's stupid. Unless I wear all these skirts on my hips, they're all way too big. No! Okay, goodbye. This one I feel could be saved. It's only a tiny bit big around the waist, but it's got belt loops, so I could probably get away with that. That's fine, that's staying. So here we've got a sequin skirt from General Pants, but because it's sequins, I don't really think I can fix it, so that's gone too. Next we've got a little satin midi from Shein. I think I'll get rid of it as well. It's also got a bit of a pull, so that's gone. This one I think can stay because it's got the ruching. It sort of hides the fact it's a little bit too big. These shorts I think I'll keep because they were a little bit small for me and now they fit me well, a little bit gapey at the back, but I don't have many shorts for summer and it's getting hot, so. This floral one I think I'm going to keep for a little bit longer just because I really like it and I could probably just pin it even without it being too noticeable. Alright, go to part 2 because I'm running out of time.